Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a simple triangle shawl for beginners with beautiful texture. You can also find a free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will get notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this shawl you will need 2 cakes of Lion brand Mandala Baby and crochet hook size 6mm. Before we begin, I will quickly show you a stitch count overview with the amount of stitches you should have at the end of each row. We will start with a magic ring. Then chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches into the ring. It's important to note that the chain 3 at the beginning of each row does not count as a stitch. Then we chain 2 and work 3 more double crochet stitches into the ring. Turn your work at the end of each row. In row 2 we will start with a chain 3 and then work 2 double crochet stitches and a chain in the first stitch. Repeat the following till the center. We work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, chain 1 and skip the next stitch. Then we work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the center chain 2 space. Then we repeat the following till the end. We chain 1, skip the next stitch and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Chain 1 and work 2 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. In row 3 we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we repeat the following till the center. We chain 1 and work 1 double crochet in the next chain space. Before the center chain 2 space we will chain 1 and then we work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the center chain 2 space. Then we repeat the following till the end. We chain 1 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain space. We will end with a chain 1 and 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. In row 4 we will chain 3 and work 2 double crochet stitches and a chain in the first stitch. Then we work 1 double crochet stitch in the next double crochet, chain 1, skip the next double crochet and repeat the following till the center. 1 double crochet in the next chain space and chain 1. In the center we will work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Then we repeat the following till the end. We chain 1 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain space. At the end we will chain 1, skip the next double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. Row 6 we will chain 3 and work 5 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and repeat the following till the center. Work 1 single crochet stitch in the next chain space, skip the next double crochet, skip the next chain and work 5 double crochet stitches in the next double crochet. Then we skip the next chain space and double crochet and repeat this till the center. In the center we will work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Then we repeat the following till the end. We skip the next double crochet and chain and work 5 double crochet stitches in the next double crochet. Then we skip the next chain and double crochet and work 1 single crochet stitch in the next chain space. We will end by skipping the last 2 double crochet stitches and work 5 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. In row 7 we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we work 1 front post double crochet in each double crochet and single crochet to the center. In the center we will work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. And then again we work 1 front post double crochet in each single crochet and double crochet to the ends. We will end with 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. In row 8 we will chain 3 and work 5 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and repeat the following till the center. Work 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch and skip the next 2 stitches. Then work 5 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. And skip 2 stitches. Repeat this till the center. In the center we work 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch. Then we repeat the following till the end. Skip 2 stitches and work 5 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. At the end we skip the last 2 stitches and work 5 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. From now on, all you need to do is repeat. If you like, you can finish your shawl with some tassels, and I will quickly show you how to make them. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!